How to annotate a PDF. Open your PDF file in UPDF. Click the T icon in the toolbar, then click anywhere on the PDF to start typing. You can customize the color, font, and other settings of the text. Click it again to insert a text box. You can also choose a text callout. And it's super easy to copy or delete. Select Sticky Notes from the panel. Pick a color you like. Click anywhere on the page, type your note, and hit send. That's it. Click the H icon in the editing panel to access 4 text markup options. First, use highlights to emphasize key text. Next, choose underline to mark important content. Then, use strike through to indicate text that needs to be removed. Finally, squiggly is another great way to draw attention to key parts of your PDF. Select Pencil from the editing panel. You can customize the color, thickness, and style of the pen in the Settings panel. Then, freely draw on your PDF based on your needs and preferences. After drawing, you can still adjust the pen style. If you want to erase something, just click Erase to remove any unwanted marks. Click on Rectangle in the editing panel. You can add basic shapes to your PDF as needed. Their size, color, and style can all be freely customized and adjusted. The measuring tool includes 3 types. First is the distance tool, which lets you measure the distance between any 2 points in your file. Next is the perimeter tool, used to measure the perimeter of any area, with real-time data shown below. The third is the area tool. Simply select the target area and view the measurement data at the bottom. Click on Attachment in the toolbar. You can customize the icon's style, color, and more. Then, click anywhere on the PDF where you want to place the attachment and select your file from your computer. The file will be added instantly. You can also manage all attachments from the left-hand panel, or quickly add new ones from the toolbar. Click the Stickers button in the top toolbar. You can choose from a variety of stickers to place anywhere on your PDF. You can also use Post-it notes. Just type your message and stick it wherever you need. Click the Stamp button from the top toolbar. Choose a stamp style you like and place it anywhere on your PDF. To create your own stamp, click Custom in the panel. You can customize the style, content, and color. Once you are done, click Create. Then place your custom stamps wherever you need them. To delete an annotation, simply tap it and select Delete from the toolbar. If you make a mistake, use the Undo button in the top right corner to revert the action.